Hey friends, hello, good morning. Myself Mayur Soni. I'm a communication and spoken English coach. Friend, in this video, I'm going to share about the vocabulary. Often people ask me this question, sir, we want to build our vocabulary, what to do? So here is the video for you. Friends, we want to build our vocabulary, the reason we want to speak in English. But before we start to speak in English, we need to understand we already have the vocabulary. So for this, you need to understand the difference. There are two kinds of vocabulary. First, the passive vocabulary, and the second, active vocabulary. If you want to speak, then you need the vocabulary in active way. Okay. What are the passive vocabulary? So the words which we already know, but whenever we try to speak or whenever we write, we don't use those words. Okay. There are many words you will find. For this, you just need to do one exercise. Simply, you can write down the words which you know of English and just simply give your focus. Okay, the words which you are using while communicating and the words you already know but you are not using. The words you are using are the words in your active vocabulary. Okay, and with the active vocabulary, only and only you can speak. So the first exercise you need to do that from the passive vocabulary, try to convert those words in active vocabulary. It means try to speak in English. Okay, by using those words you already know. The second thing you can do every day, friends, do a writing task. Okay, give 10 minutes and just write down your thoughts. You can also collect any topic. Okay, like you can write about your future goals. You can write about your work. You can write about your family. Every day, follow this task and just give 10 minutes to write down in English. And we know we have the great power of imagination. So if you are not getting the proper word, then we have the Google. Okay, Google has the solution. Many solutions I can say Google has. So simply you can Google a word and you will easily find that word, and you can do your writing task. You can complete, and by this way you can also improve. The third thing, in earlier video I told you you need to prepare a diary if you want to speak in English. So simply in diary you can note down 5 to 7 10 words every day, and if you follow this exercise for 30 days, then just imagine 300 words at the end of the month you will have. And let me give you the one secret today. If you want to communicate with anyone, you need the 300 words in your active vocabulary. So somehow if you manage with the 300 words, the regular words, then definitely you can speak in front of people. The fourth thing I want to suggest you, that be the part of the community. Okay, community helps a lot to build ourselves because we find many people who are related to our niche. So there are many English community you can follow. We have our own community. In the description of this video, I'll share some of communities. If you want to take part in that community, definitely you can take. And the fifth thing I want to tell you, friends, follow some digital dictionaries. Okay, in the description of this video I'm also sharing some digital dictionaries. You can easily follow. What you need to do, just type any word in the search. Okay, and you will find the meaning. Then you will also find the idiom, you will also find the synonyms. So in this way you just need to follow this exercise, and if you follow all the things which I have shared with you today, and somehow if you can manage for a single month, then there will be a drastical change in your communication. Okay, so thanks a lot, friends. I hope this video is going to help you a lot. Let's meet in our next video. Bye bye. Thanks a lot. Take care.